Until you bring me home to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes. Oh, a million dreams are keeping me awake. I think the world could be a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. Whoa. For my world was gonna be.
You're the GOAT. Congratulations. Everything was perfect. Everything you see is I will never sing again.
Promise?
Never again. Never. If I cannot learn how to sing that way, I will not sing anymore.
The pipes. Grabe na pipes.
The other compliment si Irene at saka we watched you, you were singing with other people. Nasa level ka na, you're so generous. Hindi ka nag-aagaw ng eksena. So generous. Pag kailangan mag-feel, nag-feel ka lang. Pag kailangan hindi ko mag-solve, that was something. That's a real sign. It's all about the music, it's not about you. You're humble. It's not about making pasikat. It's about making the music sound good.
Well, speaking of pasikat, what's made pasikat a phone?
Malaking bagay for me as a dreamer and kumbaga as a Filipino, hindi matatanggal sa feeling mo kung yung pagkagalak ba in Tagalog na nakakanta ka sa harap ng presidente and kumbaga close in kasi syempre sila yung namumuno and just being with him na alam ko napaka-busy at nag-squeeze kami ng oras and he is so genuine about it. I'm just so blessed. Grabe. This is, grabe.
Sir, what was going through your mind seeing the President and the First Lady na nagiging emotional with your voice, with your performance?
Siguro yun yung rason kung bakit tayo Filipino. Nakita ko kay Mr. President and kay Madam Lisa na yung vulnerability na kumbaga nahabag tayo kaagad once. Kasi alam natin na yung Philippines is not as a big country as everyone, but we stay because we love our families and yung kumbaga yung heart natin yung ginagamit as everything that we do. So
Sir,
sobrang sarap.
Sir, earlier in-emphasize ni Pangulo you being a generous and a humble man. Can you just any thoughts on that, sir?
Yun nga, wala akong rason na nakikita na magkaroon ng yabang na yung ibang side na yabang. Siguro yabang na nanalo tayo, but yung sa pagkatao ko, I don't think na magiging maganda siyang ugali kasi I was just once a dreamer. Ilang beses akong nag-fail, but my heart is just overwhelmed na nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon and sobrang natutuwa ako kasi napansin pala yun ng ating president and he even took time to watch my video. So grabe, nakakatuwa talaga, as in hindi ko alam kung parang mas kinabahan pa ako ulit dito sa laban na to.
Sir, I understand nabanggit nyo na kanina, but you mentioned na pinili nyo Imagine na song for the president. Sir, can you elaborate?
Kasi I have research na kumbaga, bigyan ako ng oras ni Mr. President. Nagbigay din po ako ng oras na mag-research about yung mga songs na favorite niya. I know na sabi niya slight Beatles fan daw siya. So, nakita ko yung mga videos online na kumakanta siya. Sayang nga nahiya lang ako sana pinag-jump ko si Mr. President.
Sir, last on my part, marami nagtatanong ng mga kababayan, what's next for Sofronio? Saan ka namin mabangan, sir? I understand you have ASAP on Sunday.
Yeah, I have ASAP on Sunday. Meron din po akong show sa Cebu. That's gonna be on Sinulog, January 18. And sa music career naman, hopefully by this first quarter, magkapag-release kagad ng single. And to honor still the Filipino spirit through my music. Kasi, kumbaga nakapag-penetrate na tayo, why not di natin subukan, malay mo pumatok, di ba? So I'll bring OPM heart dun sa American music industry. So, sobrang possible na siya.